Welcome back friend to another video tutorial from the Zerwal gravity. Today we will be talking about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We have seen the autotrophic mode of nutrition in detail. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, it is a type of nutrition that is shown by the animals and some lower group of organisms just like fungus and amoeba. So heterotrophic mode of nutrition, hetero means depends, trophic means nutrition, means such a type of organisms or the living beings they are depend on the other organisms for the food. We call it what? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So heterotrophic mode of nutrition show three basic types. Yes, three basic types are there. So first type is there, that is saprophytes. Saprophyte, then holozoite, and third is parasite or parasitic mode of nutrition, saprophytic mode of nutrition, holozoic mode of nutrition. So first we will discuss that is saprophytes. Saprophytes, ये जो वर्ड है उसमें उसका मीनिंग होता है. So sapro means organic matter, organic or dead matter. Okay, saprophyte means organism. So simple definition is there, such a type of organisms they are depend, okay, heterotrophic. Such a type of organisms they are depend on the dead and decaying organic matter. We call it saprophytes. So basic example of saprophyte or the simple example is there, that is fungus or fungi. In that type is there, that is mushroom. So how they obtain their food? Firstly, they grow on that matter. Okay, so suppose this is the dead and decaying matter. So first they will grow there. Grow means they are taking by the spores, they are growing there. When they start growing, they take nutrition from that. Okay, so firstly this organism saprophyte, it will be produce some toxic materials. Some toxic material will be produced over that organic matter and digest that material outside the body. Okay, digest that material outside the body and then absorb it. So such a type of nutrition we call it saprophytic nutrition. मतलब इसमें होता है कि जो भी फंगस है, ओके, वो उस ऑर्गेनिक मैटर को, डेड मैटर को बॉडी के बाहर ही डाइजेस्ट कर देगा, उसके बाद उसको वो एब्सॉर्ब करने वाला है. ओके, सो सच अ टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन वी कॉल इट saprophyte. सेकंड इज देयर holozoic mode of nutrition. अभी holozoic mode of nutrition में ऐसा होता है, that is shown by amoeba, humans and all animals. Okay, so they are taking, suppose this is a food, organic food that is also but not decaying. So organic food they are taking inside the body and digest it inside the body only using the different enzymes. So वैसी जो न्यूट्रिशन की मेथड है उसे बोलते हैं what? Holozoic mode of nutrition. उसका भी मीनिंग है hollow means whole food. Whole food means that is a complex food they are taking by this type of organisms, animals. They are taking that whole food and digest it inside the body. So we call it holozoic mode of nutrition. Example, amoeba. Amoeba, it is the example of what? It is the example of holozoic. It is a unicellular microorganism, eukaryotic that is, and all animals. Okay. Now last type is there of heterotrophs, that is parasite. Parasitic. Okay. So saprophyte में होता है कि एक ऑर्गेनिज्म डेड एंड डिकिंग मैटर पे जिंदा रहने वाला है, उसको बोलते हैं saprophyte. लेकिन पैरासाइट में कैसा होता है, एक ऑर्गेनिज्म दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म के बॉडी के ऊपर और बॉडी के इनसाइड ग्रो होगा और न्यूट्रिशन लेगा, लेकिन ये वो उसको कोई भी वो उसे कोई भी डिफरेंट वो उसे हार्मफुल इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. ओके, this organism will only take the nutrition from that. So ऐसे कुछ organisms होते हैं, they are growing on the other animals for the food. They are growing on the other organisms, other plants and animals for the food. Okay, they take nourishment from them. वो उनसे सब nourishment लेते हैं, nutrients लेते हैं, लेकिन उनको कोई भी harmful effect नहीं करते generally. Okay, so that is a type of what? Parasitic. That is a type. That is a example of parasites. Example of parasites are there leech. Leech, it is a parasite and second term is there, second example ascaris. Okay, देखो parasites के भी दो टाइप्स होते हैं, ectoparasites and endoparasites. Ectoparasites and endoparasites. So ecto का मीनिंग होता है आउटसाइड, पैरासाइट ऐसे पैरासाइट्स की जो बॉडी के बाहर ग्रो होते हैं, आउटर सर्फेस, जस्ट लाइक लीच पता है आपको? यस, दैट लीच growing on the outside the body, we call it ectoparasite. They are taking the nutrient from the host. पैरासाइट जिस पे ग्रो होता है उसको बोलते हैं होस्ट. एंडोपैरासाइट्स ऐसे कुछ पैरासाइट्स होते हैं जो बॉडी के अंदर जाके इनर साइड से न्यूट्रिशन लेते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं व्हाट? एंडोपैरासाइट्स. सो दिस आर द बेसिक टर्म्स और बेसिक टाइप्स ऑफ हेटेरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन.